Lungs lang sa akin. So, again, sige, right lang, left lang.
Right.
Right, bakit? Usually, three lobes. Yung clue daw, right, whatever. Right, left. So, tatlong lobes. Lagi lang, costal surface, medial surface, diaphragmatic surface. Tapos, lagi look for the apex. When you're oriented, lagi apex, and then hilum. So, hilum will always be hilum, apex. So, sure ka? Left. Sure ka? Right. So, ito lagi, parang bundle. So, ngayon, pag nasa medial surface ka,
Station start.
ito yung hilum. Ay, ito yung hilum. Yung pulmonary ligament. Inask yun lagi. So, it's clear here. It's your pulmonary ligament. Basta mag-end siya sa middle. Nagkaroon yun, di ba? Hilum, tapos hilum. Tapos, kasi ito yung right lung. Di ba right is more vertical? You can't diba look at choke, ganyan. It's usually there, sa right. Kaya it's more vertical, it's higher. So it's the highest, parang siya yan. So ito yung bronchus mo. So ito, yung usually what's next to it, it's your artery, pulmonary artery. And then usually yung pinakagitna, yun yung pulmonary vein. So superior in the pulmonary vein. Check. Usually lang middle siya. Yun lang yung gawin. Tignan mo ito, middle din. Your vein is again middle. Pinaka-middle is your vein. And then your bronchus. And then ito, it's horizontal because it's your left. So ito, your artery is higher. It's your artery. Ito, yung bronchus.
So, yung bronchus, tandaan nyo na mas matigas siya. Hindi kayo, basta lagi, dapat itala kayong ganyan.
So, gamitin niyo to. Kasi, di ba, alam niyo naman gamitin yung akit. Kaya mo, kayo, trace yun, di ba, akit ko, shit. So, yeah, you have to know. Kasi trace yun talaga siya. Magdala kayo na.
So, may ito na silang parang fatty tissue na parang dito. Node lang sa dulo. Node. Tapos, kasi kami rin, hindi rin namin nagigets ko. Pero minsan, may parang binublaw na gano'n. So, yan, node. Tapos, kapatid yung bronchial artery.
Whatever small thing, ito naman to. Parang buta siya. Ito naman parang hole. Ito, alam mo yan.
Ay,
Bronchial
okay.
artery.
Alam mo yan, di ba, Nikki?
Basta small hole.
Small bronchial artery. Tapos yung left, so gets na natin.
The fissure.
Ay, fissure pala. Oblique fissure. And then,
Hindi, oblique and since right.
tsaka yan eh, yung sorry, forget ko. Diba tatlong fissure? Horizontal, oblique. Yung oblique mainstay, lagi may oblique. So ito may oblique, ito yung horizontal. Kasi bilang accepted yung horizontal siya.
Minor fissures yung tawag sa
So ito rin may oblique.
major fissure. Isang tawag.
Tapos, so example. May 1, 2, 3. Hala!
Ano yan?
Right.
Yes. Sige, una, right or left?
Left.
Left or right?
Left.
Right. Walang linggula.
Correct answer, left. Lagi, apex.
Ay, yun ang apex. Oh my God! I'm so lost. Okay, okay.
Eh, kasi
medyo mabilis
pati
siya.
yung bottom niya mas smooth. Mas
Okay, okay yung bottom.
So, kapag itatapat mo.
May orange pala sa ano. Hindi, medyo, sige nga, yes, meron.
Wala
Wala, no? Di para something. Pero ito kasi ilinggulan niya.
Oo nga, yun.
Basta may linggulan
siya.
Pero kasi nga, sige nga, ilinggulo ba yan? Ito kasi yung partner niya. Naghiwalay yung tsaka na dito dyan.
Pero naghihiwalay talaga kasi yung lang.
Ay, okay. Wow!
Okay.
Akala sabi ko,
Kaya namin to sa iyo. Wait. Right or
Always. So, diaphragm is lower, diba? So, it's left.
kasi titingnan mo rin na parang kasya ba yan kapag ganyan, haba yung parang so, kasama niyo yun. Kasi tingnan niyo rin yung grooves ha. Ito yung esophagus niyo, di ba? Esophagus ko ba nasa taas? Hindi, nasa taas.
Tapos, remember din, your lingula lang kasi is your middle line and your left. Didn't grow. So, siya ka na. Ano mo yung right mo?
Hindi, completely.
Ito yung right.
Ilangin nyo,
So
ilangin
don't assume lang na if you count 1, 2. Yeah. Don't just count. Always. Oriented.
And look at the other ones.
Oo nga.
Always
Oh,
oriented.
shoot.
Kasi hala, ano ba yan?
Ano
Ano
yun?
nag-iwalay eh.
Ano niya? Parang left kasi dalawang lobes lang.
Oriented. Don't just count.
Eh,
1,
right
2.
siya.
Sure. Left.
Okay. Don't count.
Parang assume na nang gugulo sila.
Don't just
Think of your
count.
only factor.
Don't
Maybe
just
meron kayo 30, 50 seconds. So parang may time ka naman pa. Baka. Diba? Trial and error kung hindi mo alam.
Like a lot of
Marami
stations
kasi.
na
Kasi hindi lang isipin mo long lang naman yung. Long and hard lang eh.
And there are times when they just ask this, like, upper row.
You have to
Oh my God.
Pwede ba natin kalasin?
Ah.
It's okay, at least you have time to practice. CAD hop lang talaga kayo.
bukas or whatever. Cut off.
May cut-off na bukas.
Tsaka yung mga bro, kukulo na tayo.
Lumingin din na kamay.
Okay lang.
I'm sorry.
Ito na yun sa eye.
Tire bags yan. Anyway, yung
Smiles.
like exam niya mahirap, aralin niya maigay yung kay Dr. Diaz.
Special environment.
Ano mas masabi ko?
Fish, marami po.
Lahat, it's all fish. So, parang mahirap siya kasi it's very specific. So, either you super memorize the dance or you super understand that you can derive everything. So, yun. It's hard. And for the arteries,
Sa heart, kailangan, di ba may RCA, may ganun kasi, di ba may left. May left coronary artery, may left circumflex artery. You have to know. Lalabas lang dun sa exam, LCA. LCA, MCA, that.
Kaya si Eddie left ko.
You have to know yung mga
Alright.
descendant.
you have to know
Circumflex.
Paano po yung LCA? Left circumflex tsaka left coronary?
Hindi rin namin alam.
You can never know.
Hindi na namin alam.
Kasi parang sure na sure ako doon. Parang alam ko left circumflex yan. Parang pipili na lang kung anong artery yung parang tama.
Ganun. Pero dead. So, cut hop.
Tsaka ginagamit kasi nila yung ibang names. Parang hindi pa popular na names. Kasi yun yung pa yung na-acronym. Division. Parang ganun eh. Station.